Hey everybody, this is Sean.
And Alexis.
And we're back at the Beaten Up Coffee Table for another video.
Yeah, our coffee table continues to get worse and worse and worse. One day we'll replace it until that day.
Yeah, and that one day I'm probably going to get a lot of comments about people going like, oh my god, what happened to the Beaten Up Coffee Table?
And then we're just going back to the stove.
Oh no, there's a stove in your future. Just like there's a stove in my past. Speaking of the stove, this mouse here is the Roccat Kone EMP that we unboxed about 4 years ago, probably longer.
Yeah, somewhere
in
around
our
that.
kitchen on the stove.
Yes.
Yeah. And since then, Alexis has been using it. And
I use the damn thing
every day.
Constantly. It's abused. I clean it a lot. It has broken and died.
The scroll wheel apparently stopped working.
Yeah, the scroll wheel just does not want to do much. It's also double clicking on the right mouse button. So like when I'm gaming and you're going to scope in on someone, your guy will quickly scope up and then he scopes down. And it's really annoying. Which is making gaming nearly impossible.
Yeah, no, you couldn't do anything like that. So you've had this mouse for 4 years. The mouse you had before that was the same brand.
Basically, yeah.
And how long did you have that one?
5 years, 6 years, something like that.
And you continue to buy the same brand?
Yeah, they last about 5 years, it seems.
I'm currently using Logitech G series because I like a standard size shaped mouse, and they're the best one.
I have big hand.
I've got tiny hands.
So I need a large. I like heavy mice. I really like the shape of this mouse. It feels really good in your hand.
It lights up. It has nice colors. We were going to try it with the power bank, but it apparently needs to be connected to the computer for that part.
It lights up real nice. See this? It does that along these lines.
So the new one you moved to is the Roccat Kone AIMO?
AIMO. I'm not sure how they want us to... They're German. I don't fucking know.
AIMO is its name.
I don't fucking know. But like, you might ask, why am I buying the same mouse if it keeps dying? I might be to blame. I clean them constantly. I wipe them down. I clean it. I might have killed it.
Did you clean it the day that it broke?
I cleaned it the day before.
Oh.
So this might be my fault. They're fairly cheap mice. Like it's only $100, or $119 after taxes here. They're really comfy. It's got a really good sensor. I like wired mice because I don't particularly care for batteries. They die after a couple years and you have to replace them anyway. Yeah, the box looks nice. Packaging's good.
Made to win. Little detail there.
I'm expecting this to just be an enhanced version of the last mouse.
It should. I mean, they've got their instruction card, and they've got the mouse.
Ooh.
It's got a cable.
It looks... I mean, mine's worn. Ooh.
It's got different designs, different feel. It's got a little shelf for your thumb that this one doesn't have.
Ooh, it feels good. Instantly feels good.
Right, it's got all the same buttons and features, but it's kind of wider.
Here, can you plug this into your laptop really quick, just so we can get
The
it?
laptop is not booted up, but through the magic of YouTube, I can make it boot up actually instantly.
Wow, so this is going to be instant.
It is. There's probably going to be a cut here or something. I don't know.
So I can say the word, wow, that thing is bright. It's really bright. Look at how bright it is.
It's really bright. It's cycling through colors. Let me see if I can make that look better by turning down my brightness or something.
Here, memento.
Here, let me turn off a light too. There you go. Turn off our studio light. It's just literally a ring light that I filled with.
Apparently you can program 5 zones on the lighting.
Okay, it's cycling through them. It's kind of neat.
I wasn't expecting the scroll wheel to be so bright.
Yeah, no, that's
really exciting.
It's gonna make your fingers glow.
That's really exciting. And apparently it'll like learn from your, like the lighting patterns will change based on what you're doing somehow, according to the software. Not sure how it does that. we say there'll be update videos and like how I like it, but we all know that will never happen.
Realistically, this was more of a review of the company and the previous mice they had, because you just went with this one.
I really like them. Like, I've had Logitech mice in the past. I've had a shitload of different
We
mice.
don't do follow-up videos mostly on these items, but I do answer every comment that comes in. So if you have
Yeah, so
questions on the
if
mouse,
you want to know if I like this in like a couple days, ask away in the comments and I will answer.
we'll
just,
let you know how we feel.
I will. If it dies somehow early, you'll bet your ass there'll be an update video.
Oh my god, if this thing dies in like a month, then you are going to...
Yeah, no, I'm gonna rage my fucking ass off. But as long as that doesn't happen, feel free to answer or ask away in the comments.
Since we're not sponsored, Roccat, if you're out there listening, your click wheels break easy.
It does. It breaks weirdly easy. This was the problem with the last one, as far as I remember.
Yeah, that's why we replaced the last one, too, because the click wheel went first. So let us know. Are we supposed to still have this after 4 years? Because y'all cool and your mouses rock.
It's a really comfy mouse, German engineering, but it's a really nice. It's a really nice mouse.
The German engineering didn't include a custom German click wheel. I don't know.
I don't know what happened to the last one.
Either way, we do have more content coming up.
I've went through surgery. My mouse died. I need a new mouse. We did a video on the last mouse. You seem to like it.
Right, so we might as well at least show you that. We do have a ration and some other things that on hand that we can unbox in the future. Hopefully we're going to do them soon.
Yeah, we're planning to do them fairly soon.
But we've learned not to make any promises when it comes to that, because even though we like sharing content with all of you, we have lives that happen.
Sometimes happen. Yeah, unfortunately, the last year has not been kind to us.
That hasn't just been 1 year.
Oh, 2 years. Okay. The last while has not been kind to us. Anyway.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out our other content, like and subscribe, that whole spiel.
Yeah, you know the drill.
You know exactly what anyone's going to say. Hit that notification bell so you can be reminded when we send out new videos.
God,
I know.
No.
I said it, and I said it in
Ew.
the voice. Welcome to Sean and Alexis's YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you should hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you can be notified of all of
I hate this whole thing. Anyway,
so I'm not doing that. Bye.